In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Western Union Netspend account. This process is straightforward and should be easy to follow, ensuring that you can access your account quickly and securely. Let's get started. First, the most crucial step is to navigate to the Western Union Netspend prepaid website. You can do this by typing the URL www.unetspendprepaid.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you've reached the web page, you'll be greeted with the login portal, which is designed to provide you a secure access point to your financial information. It's always a good idea to double check the URL before proceeding, as this ensures that you're on the legitimate website and not a lookalike designed for phishing attempts. Now that you're on the login page, let's move on to the next step, entering your username. Locate the field labeled username. You're going to click on this area to activate the cursor. Once you see the blinking line, enter your username. This is the unique identifier created when you initially set up your account. Be sure to enter it precisely as it was registered, taking care with special characters, capitals, and numbers to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your username, next you'll want to enter your password. The password field is located right below the username field. Click on the password box and make sure to input your password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check the caps lock on your keyboard and ensure each character is correct to avoid multiple login attempts. One handy feature you might want to consider is the Remember Username option. By selecting this, the website will store your username so that the next time you visit, you won't need to enter it manually. You can enable this feature by simply clicking on the checkbox labeled Remember Username. It's especially useful if this is your personal computer. However, if you're on a public or shared computer, it's safer to leave this box unchecked to protect your information. Finally, after you've entered your username and password and checked or unchecked the Remember Username feature, according to your preference, you're ready to proceed. Now direct your attention to the login button. It's typically labeled clearly, inviting you to click and log into your account. Make sure you have reviewed your entries beforehand to avoid any potential login errors. And there you have it. You should now be logged into your Western Union Netspend account. If you encounter any trouble logging in, consider revisiting your credentials or make use of the Forgot Username or Password assistance offered on the site. Thanks for joining me today as we explored how to efficiently access your Western Union Netspend account. Stay tuned for more guides on managing your online financial life with ease.